Students, welcome to the 23-24 school year. This is Mr. Rich, and I just wanted to get you set up for your East Hall High School parking permit for all of our upcoming drivers. First of all, you'll be sent a link and remind that allow you to enroll into our Canvas course, or you can get the forms in the front office. Either way, you'll download the parking permit form here, fill it out, and make sure you have a paper copy of your driver's license and insurance. You'll come over to Assignments, and under Assignments, you'll enter both your form, your insurance, and your license. A couple quick reminders when it comes to parking. One, all cars need to be moved by 4 o'clock, or they'll be subject to being towed, as the band needs to be able to utilize this area. Also, you must drive safe at all times or you can lose your permit. You can also lose your permits for excessive tardies. Your car is subject to search when it's inside this facility, so please make sure you don't bring anything on campus that's not supposed to be here. And students who sign up for driving on campus are subject to random drug testing. So just updates that you might want to know. I will say it is first come, first serve. We will go upperclassmen first. And understand that we will lose some parking with construction. So make sure you get your forms into me as soon as you can. Again, check your remind soon. You'll have your parking permit application, copy of your driver's license, and insurance. You may also get them at the front desk. Thank you.